It's Tamara Doris, your Sacramento real estate professional, and OMG, I have some really good news for you. Sherry Schmitz, my Lone Ranger, just told me that Placer, which is the Placer County area, has a new, I think it's called GAP financing, and they will help up to $125,000 towards your down payment. Okay, so to conceptualize this, let me just put it in a simple example. Let's say you find a home that you love that's $275,000. But you only can qualify for $200,000. Well, if you fit into this program, and one of the criteria would be that you have to have 3.5% to put down, so that kind of counts. And of course, you have to have good credit, etc. But you can go ahead, if you qualify for this program, you can go ahead and get this amount, $75,000 that's missing, paid, right? So to have that kind of significant, extraordinary help is like unheard of. So you see, every time someone says, it's not a good time to buy real estate, oh my gosh, you know, you can't qualify, what do you do? There's always going to be something, because real estate drives our economy. So there's always going to be something, some way, some avenue, some loophole, something that you can do. Of course, you have to be smart. Don't make foolish investments. Have real estate professionals and lenders who you trust, who have your best interest in mind, because otherwise, you know, who knows what's going to happen. But with that being said, there are opportunities to still buy a home, and it's a good opportunity if you're going to buy in the Placer County area. So if you want to do a home search, Placer County, El Dorado County, Sacramento County, I don't care, anywhere in Northern California, I think, but actually only the Sacramento region is where I can help you. 916-482-5834, or why don't you just register on my website? It's free, it's easy, and it's fun. And it is www.buyinsacto.com. So have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye for now.